Welcome to an exquisite harbourfront sanctuary that epitomizes effortless beauty in both style and setting. This masterpiece, a testament to the combined design mastery of Bruce Stafford and Hare and Klein, is a home of unequivocal distinction. Every exquisitely crafted space in this residence greets you with iconic Sydney views, sweeping over Rose Bay, the Opera House, and the Harbour Bridge. The heart of the home is its open-plan living area, seamlessly fused with idyllic terraces and a sparkling swimming pool, offering a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. The premier kitchen, elegantly draped in marble, caters to the most discerning chefs, providing a luxurious backdrop for culinary creations. Indulgent bedroom suites offer unparalleled comfort and privacy, each designed with meticulous attention to detail. The views from these suites are nothing short of spectacular, ensuring you wake up to the beauty of Sydney's harbour every day. For those who cherish waterfront living, the property includes a private boat shed and deck with direct access to the water's edge, making it a true waterfront paradise. This harbourfront sanctuary is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle, the perfect blend of contemporary finesse and timeless elegance. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to enhance your daily life. From the stunning views and luxurious amenities to the impeccable design, this property offers an unparalleled living experience in one of Sydney's most coveted locations.